Hello! Today, on this video, now we're going to be discussing circles. Ever since the beginning and dawn of humanity, human beings have been fascinated with circles. You look up in the night sky and you might see a full moon. Wake up and you might see a sun. You notice that those seem like circles to us. So human beings have been interested in circles, and circles have lots of unique, beautiful mathematical properties. Now, for a circle of radius 1, centered at the origin, this has the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Now, we can extrapolate this definition and figure out what a circle of radius r is. Well, a circle of some radius r centered at the origin will just be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, okay? Meaning, if I give you some equation, x squared plus y squared is equal to 9, this implies you have a circle of radius 3 centered at the origin, okay? Now, recall graph transformations. Our circle does not necessarily have to be centered at the origin. We can have it be shifted horizontally or vertically or both. One of the forms for a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r. This is some r squared. This is some arbitrary circle of radius r centered at this point right here, h comma k, where you bring it down on the x-axis, it's at h, you take it over to the y-axis, it's at k. All right? So notice that I can create a circle, let's say it's at 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, centered at 3, 4. And let's say we wanted to have a radius 2, okay? Then, if I clear up some real estate here, then, because it's shifted like this, to construct the general equation for the circle, all you would do is we say x minus r3 quantity squared plus y minus r4 quantity squared is equal to, is it 2? Or is it 4? It's 4 because it's r squared. The square of 2 times 2 is 4. So this gives you the equation right here. All of this is the equation for this circle right here. Now, what if we modify the equation for the circle? What if I want it to be at 2, negative 5, and I want it to be a circle of radius, let's say 10. Okay? Well, the circle equation now gets modified. It's still x minus a 2 quantity squared plus ry. Now, since ry is negative, it ends up becoming plus 5 squared is equal to, what is the square of 10? 100. So, as you can see, we can shift it horizontally and vertically, depending on whether or not we have a plus or a minus here. A minus here means you horizontally, because it's part of x, means you horizontally shift to the right by h units. A plus here means you horizontally shift to the left by h units. Here, a minus k means you vertically shift up by k units, and a plus, this is a minus 5, a plus there would imply a vertical shift downwards by k units. R squared remains r squared. Now, that's about all you really need to know about circles and how to shift them for various values. Now you know some examples of a circle and how it is shifted horizontally and vertically.